Menteri Rangba ke jela kurat sangma hne gisngi ula pentep bak Sorkar kan sa siew pano ya ke scholarship na ka pla tengka jong ke Sorkar jela ya ki samla puli namar bak poislam palat ka pisa ba labha na ke Sorkar pdeng. Menteri Rangba ula itu bak Sorkar jela kala kerpat ya ke Sorkar pdeng ban pelaj no ya ke scholarship na ka bentaki kena rai namar ba kamla kumta nagaleng jok Sorkar jela kalapan jingbet nak Sorkar pedeng baya ke scholarship nak bentaki samla pule ha ke jela an pelaj no dak bisa nak plat jok Sorkar jela bat ya ke bisa ka pelaj jok Sorkar pedeng an penan kamno dak Sorkar jela la hakno kono kapor bahkan sa pelaj ya ka Menteri Rangba ula ong bak scholarship kalong ka benta ka hakmat jok Sorkar bagi samla pule ki wana ki longyeng ki baduna ha ka yo ka kot ki made ki jing jenjar namar baslem ke scholarship kumta dei halor kani bak Sorkar jela kalarai ban nam apsu ya kepisa ban wan nak Sorkar India Henry kin pelaj no da kepisa kaba ke Sorkar jela kadon konrad wala pentikna bai kani ka scholarship bat kumjuru ya ka siam scholarship an pelaj haswa jong ka jingle kemen Christmas
that we have decided and we have tied up with Government of India that we will be releasing the scholarship money in advance from the state side, and we will not wait for Government of India to release the amount, and whenever the money comes in, it will be put back into our account. The system has been created, and the most important part, you can clap after that, is that we'll be releasing it before Christmas. So we'll ensure that before Christmas, the CM scholarship, which we are just finalizing, we had anticipated about 70,000 students, but you'll be surprised to know that we got 1 lakh applicants. So we are just screening through the whole process. We should be able to finalize that within a few weeks' time. So when that is done, so the CM scholarship that we have announced will also be released before Christmas, and the scholarship from central government, which comes in at a 90-10 ratio, that also in advance before receiving the funds from central government, we will release the funds from our side. So I would want to share that with you, and I hope that will help the students who require that financial support, and more importantly, motivate you to work harder and to study more in a much more committed way.